before. You should say, hey guys, what's up?
Hey
Hey YouTube, what's up? We're back on another episode of Try Not Play Vlog. And today we'll be making a gelatin dog mold. So basically what we'll be doing is pouring any really temperature into boiling into a pot, right? And then it'll boil.
Put the water to boil.
Put the water to boil, and then we'll put the gelatin in, and then we'll put we'll stir it for 2 minutes. Then we'll put the cold water in, and then we're gonna stir it until the mix dissolves.
Then your brother's gonna start talking, okay?
Okay.
And then when your brother finishes talking, you say, "Have you ever seen a Jello dog?"
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
it. Bro. Cut it. You're gonna say what I said, and that's it.
I know, but mommy.
Slow down, or you're not gonna be in the video. Can you look at me? Look at me. Stop that. Lick your ashy ass lips too. And go like this.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Look at the camera. Go like this. Eyebrows.
Hey YouTube, we're back in another episode of Try Not Play Vlog. Today we'll be making a dog Okay, so for this part we're gonna need our parents because we're kids, so we can't turn on the stove by ourselves. So we're gonna be right back. We're gonna let our parents.
Warning, do not try this without a parent.
Step 1, we are going to pour 1 cup of water into the pot. Step 2, my mom's gonna pour the gelatin in. Okay guys, now
Just mix.
it's actually hot. Oh, it's getting hot. Okay. Now my mom will mix it for 2 minutes.
Step 3, my mom's gonna pour in the cold water.
Now we have to mix it until it dissolves.
Hey guys, earlier I saw my mom put the Jello in the refrigerator. Yeah, so let me open it. There you go. Oh, I see it right there. I will eat this.
I will, even if I have to come back tomorrow, and the next day, 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 and the next day.
The next day, later.
Okay guys, now let's add the hot water. Okay guys, the hot water is in, and now let's see if it might come out. No, not yet. Push it. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna have to put some more hot water on it. Alright.
Don't push it too hard. Jiggle.
Okay guys, now we're going to add a little bit more of hot water on it because as you guys can see, that didn't work, so. Okay guys, let's see if
Oh, no, it's melted.
Oh no guys. I think I might have melted.
And it came out.
Oh my god.
It broke a little bit.
Miss the leg.
It missed his foot.
Okay,
It doesn't look bad.
Okay, guys, as you guys can see this, we probably can't pick this up because it might break. So, but as you guys can see,
there's
our
the Jello dog.
Jello dog.
Some of the feet are missing, but that's okay.
Yummy. Guys, I'm gonna go brush my teeth. But first, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part of the video. And that was another episode of Run Not Play Vlog.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Look at me.
That should be the thumbnail.